Let's go over the setup. This is the MovMax right here. I've just got it suction cupped right to my bumper. I do have this little tether right here. You can see this thing is pretty awesome. I mean, it absorbed some bumps that we were taking right now when we were doing the lead follow setup right here. Can't wait to show that footage. This thing is incredible with the DJI Pocket 3 and this MovMax. This is rad. Alright, so we can see we've got the truck up there. Got the phone connected here. Alright, so I was kind of seeing how far away we could go for it to be tracking, and you see that we lost it right here. And this is roughly how far away we were able to go. Not sure what that distance is, but you can see from the camera and the amount of parking spaces. So that's a pretty good distance that it'll continue tracking, but it did lose it from that far away. That was the amount of space needed. So you got to keep it close. It doesn't have to be right on it. Overall, I am ecstatic with this. This is a very fine piece of machinery right here. Super easy to lock it down into place, super easy to use the suction cup mount on there. It was secure, very secure onto the truck. I had the tethers on there just for safety, but using the app with this DJI Pocket 3, absolutely incredible. It totally followed the car. I showed how far of a distance you can go before it loses it, but it tracks it really well. The gimbal effect of the DJI Pocket 3 really works well. The MovMax absorbs the up and down bumps, makes it super, super clean. Rollers, now I can adjust it, and I'm actually going to mount it a little bit lower. I'm going to mount it a little bit higher. I'm going to do more videos, more canyon runs, and really put this thing to the test. But this is an awesome setup right here. It's made for the DJI Pocket 3. It just works. It's so good, so good. I definitely love this thing.